For this experiment, you will need to use approved eye protection. For this experiment, you will need a temperature probe, salt, water, a test tube, a clamp and stand, ice, the Lab Pro interface, and a computer running Logger Pro. Take 5 milliliters of distilled water, put it into a test tube, clamp that test tube, put a beaker of water inside, carefully put ice into that, put the temperature probe into the test tube. I'm going to plug the probe into channel 1 of the interface and plug the USB into the USB of the computer. In Logger Pro, go to File, Open, and then select Chemistry with Vernier folder and select Freeze Melt Water, experiment number 2. Then lower the test tube into the ice water. You do that by adjusting the clamp. Then add salt to the ice water bath. 5 spoons should be enough. Make sure that the salt dissolves in the water. The computer registers that the temperature inside the test tube is declining. After several minutes, the water in the test tube will have frozen. You will have a cooling curve that looks something like this. Select the plateau part, the flat part of this curve. Take your mouse and point to Statistics. And this will reveal what the mean temperature of the flat part of the cooling curve is. This is your freezing point. Part 2 of the lab will involve reading the warming curve, but you can see right here that the liquid inside the test tube has completely frozen. We'll now do the experiment in reverse and measure what happens when it warms back up.